With right sides together, match up your main and lining pieces. Stitch along the top curved edge. After finishing the curved edge, flip to the right side. Match up your center bag of your main and sew fabrics. Pin in place and sew all around. With right sides together, align the sew lining to the heel center. The layers of the top bootie will be sandwiched between the two sews. Pin in place. Leave a gap at the top and sew all around. Once you are done, trim the excess. And flip the bootie out through the gap. Now you sew the gap shut.